Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new project. This is a mini album using horses from Stamperia, and as you can see it's pretty large. This is an 8x8. This is a design project for Scrap and Create, and get all your supplies there. I have a link down below, and I have a link to the cutting guide down below as always, so just click and go ahead and get that. And as far as supplies, I had two 12x12, two 8x8, the collectibles, the die cuts, and one sheet of rice paper. So that's what I had to work with. And I used this kind of army olive green cardstock. I'll be honest, I used it because it was the only one I had enough of to use that went. I think it looks fine, but you certainly don't need it. You could use brown would be just fine, or craft, black, even white, whatever you want to use will be fine. Flowers from my stash. I'm pretty sure these all came from Scrap and Create, and they're just leftovers from other projects. So let me show you. So that's the front. This is one of the 12x12. No, I think this is from the collectibles. That is from the collectibles. Die cuts, flowers. The spine is wrapped in rice paper, as I've been doing a lot lately. It just has a plain seam binding closure and a simple back. Now, one thing to note, if you look down from above, I made my spine 2.5 inches. I really think 2 1/4 would probably be a better bet. I think this is just a little large. If you know you're going to put a whole lot of photos in it, go ahead and do the 2.5, but I am going to put 2 1/4 in the cutting guide. So if you hear me during the tutorial saying 2.5, I will try to remember to put something on the screen saying, the cutting guide says 2 1/4, and that's fine. All right, so let me get that. I haven't trimmed my ties. So I left the inside front cover plain for a photo. I just wanted to also let you know, as I mentioned at the very end of the video when we did the tutorial, I have not done a lot of embellishing because I don't know who's going to end up with this album, and I would like them to embellish it to suit, them. So I find this especially nice when you're talking about somebody's pets or their animals. They like them to match what they actually have. So we do have, and I did use some of these collectibles, but they're almost like paper dolls where you can put together different riders with different horses. There's quite a lot of them. And also some chipboards of different horses and things. So I'm going to just set those aside, and whoever ends up with the book can add whatever they want. But I did use some. Anyway, so here we just have a large flap, so lots of room all across here for photos. There are 4 side pocket inserts, all double matted. Pages are 8x8. The covers are 8.5 by 8.5. Here we have a belly band with a large mat. This is from the collectibles. I used craft on the back of a lot of the mats. And then this has a hidden pocket. So in the hidden pocket is another large photo mat. So if you look at it like that, it looks continuous, but there's actually a pocket under there. Okay. And then here we have stacked pockets with small tags and large tags. And I have not added the grommet and ties to these tags because I didn't have the color grommets that I wanted, and they haven't come yet. And I didn't want to hold everything up till they come, but I'll be adding to those. And let me show you too. When you order from Scrap and Create, you get a little mesh bag with metal pieces and charms, and like that, just to show you a couple. And I am going to add some of these little charms to my tags, to the ties when I get them. And side pocket insert. I don't remember if I showed you that. And then these open like that. And then here we have, again, stacked pockets, but these go all the way across with tags and photo mats in the front and the back pocket. Okay. And then here we have a flap that is an envelope. Let me slide that over. And it just has a tuck there, and there's just a photo mat in it. And it has a magnet to hold it closed, like that. There's the third side pocket insert. And I did try to match the side pocket inserts a little bit to where they were going. These are all made from the 8x8s. And just a couple of small flaps. This is a removable tag that we'll make together. Love this little dog. He's from the die cuts, as is that. So cute. And that's just held onto the page with a magnet. And that is side pocket insert. That's the last one. And then we have a waterfall here on the back. And they are matted with the craft. And then on the inside back cover, we just have a pocket with a couple of photo mats. And this one I think has, yeah, craft on the back. And that is that. So I think I bent that. Okay. So there we go. So we will get started on this in a day or so. Again, you can visit Scrap and Create to get your supplies. There will be linked down below what I used. There'll also be a link down below, like I said, to the cutting guide for this project, which will be free. Just go and get it. And do bear in mind that I am going to put a 2 1/4 inch spine in the cutting guide. I actually use 2 1/2. If you want to use a 2 1/2, that'll be just fine. But I think you'll also be just fine with 2 1/4, so whichever you prefer. So I will see you next time, and we will get started with this project. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.